Okay, so I wanted to show a friend what weather is really like here, since she lives in Miami, Florida, which is probably like 70 degrees. She thought I was exaggerating about the extremes. So, anyway, that was some fun seeing all the ice that's everywhere, inundated. Now, this state in particular, Oklahoma, has a tendency to go from one extreme to the other, where it be ice balls from the sky, tornadoes that can toss a straw through a telephone pole, they're so powerful, and 5.6 earthquakes, and of course freak ice storms, and then blizzards. So it's a lovely state with lots of lovely weather. Yesterday it was much harsher than this. My car could barely get through it, and if you can see all that ice on the road here, see, there's a school next to my apartments, and as you can see, there's a lot of ice and snow. I think right now it's about 20 degrees. I don't know, yesterday it got down to 18, and that would be Fahrenheit if we want to be more specific. And anyway, there's just a lot of ice and stuff all over the ground, and this is what happens. This is Oklahoma's weather. So I'll just shut up now and let you see some more of it. All right. Okay, cool. Now I can cross the road just to see some more stuff. Not really much to see. It's just barren wasteland of more ice and snow everywhere. You have to be careful on this. You brake far before you get to an intersection, just to make sure that you don't slide into it and careen into other cars. And the real dangerous thing is that since Okies do not experience this phenomenon all too often, maybe 2, 3, maybe a week out of a year at most, a lot of them, especially the younger ones, have no idea what the heck they're doing on the ice. And so accidents do occur. And then there are the people who think that just because you have a bigger car means that, your car will handle better, which isn't necessarily true, because as we all know from basic physics, a bigger mass takes more energy to stop now, doesn't it? Yes. You would think everybody would know that, but they don't. I think it's inertia, the tendency of an object to stay in motion. Anyway, I'll take a good shot of the school, and I'll just stop it for a little while. All these are footprints that I've been showing over and over again, are absolutely frozen solid. So this is all ice mixed in with snow, which means you have to walk in a particular way, or else you'll just fall flat on your ass. Of course, it's the way it works. It's ice. Just wanted to give you a good range of some of the weather. There's a school up there with its big clock tower, or at least part of it. And there's some random buildings. Not random, I know what they are, I'm just not going to name them. Anyway, as you can see, the ice, the roads are just about as frozen as sidewalks, meaning, well, it's pretty dangerous to drive. I wouldn't do it unless you have to. Which, unfortunately, a lot of people did have to today, because by golly, we're going to have to squeeze every dollar out of the economy that we can. Okay, I'm going to stop the video because my hands are really cold. I know, what an excuse, right? Alright, just wanted to give you a rough idea of how the weather actually is. And I will whip it back out for tornadoes, hail, and intense heat that most people couldn't take, 110 Fahrenheit stuff, and just give you a rough idea how the weather actually is here, because its range, at least to me, seems almost unprecedented just in the sheer scale of it. Maybe I'm wrong, probably am. It's just all relative, Alright, bye bye.